Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Part A, keeping the lid on minimizes heat exchange between the calorimeter and the surroundings. Calcium bromide, improving experimental accuracy. Part B, the enthalpy of solution, delta H solution, is negative because the temperature increased from 23.5 to 44 degrees Celsius, showing the process is to the water. Part C, the magnitude of thermal energy Q is calculated using Q equals mc delta T. .5 degrees Celsius and a specific heat of 3.61 joules per gram degree Celsius. Q equals 53.11 grams times 3.61 joules. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.